this is Lida from Hypnotech, and today I have something a little different, a little quirky, and a little interesting for you guys. So Zungle sent us their newest sunglasses. These are supposed to have bone conducting technology in your ears. They are supposed to be some really cool looking sunglasses that can connect to your phone's AI. You can pick up a call on them, and they connect through Bluetooth as well. So I'm really excited to open this up. Let's take a look. And what do we have here? Here we can see that we have wireless music and calls, AI voice assistant, 4+ hours of playtime, sweat-proof, lightweight, and Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. So pretty nice packaging. Go ahead and open this up. All right, we've got more packages in here. Looks like we have our cable, our charging cable in here. Let's put this to the side. Ooh, we have here our Zungle manual. So I'll take a look at that later. See what buttons we have. And here we have the actual sunglasses themselves. Better than your ex sunglasses. Very cool packaging so far. This looks like an egg carton almost. Ooh. Okay. Let's take these out. Oh. Ooh. Okay, very cool. I really like the build quality of it. It's not heavy, but you can definitely tell that there's some weight to it. The buttons are pretty interesting. Some of the buttons like the volume rocker and the next track, forward track are a little bit more closer to the ear or the eye level. So I'm curious to know if that's harder to adjust or not. I'll have to play around with them a little bit more to find out. So in order to charge these sunglasses, you just plug the little ears in here. You can, just like that, you can hear a clicking noise when they go in. And on the side, you'll be able to see the Zungle light up right here. It takes about 60 minutes for a full charge. So as you can see, I'm not wearing any lens right now, but Zungle sells a ton of different options for different lenses, and I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to just pop in some new ones. So here's the Oasis Blue. Let's take a look. All right, open these up right here. Here we have two lenses, left and right. So the directions say insert the lens from the inside of the frame. Press the upper nose edge into the upper nose side groove of the frame and gently press on the center of the lens. I'm liking the look of them. I'm not sure how I feel about the Oasis Blue lens in the dark because it's got a matte on the inside and it's really hard for me to see things indoors when it's nighttime. But I'm liking the look of the frames for sure. It's got a nice smooth black matte finish to it. The ears are a little snug. I will have to see how that is long term after a longer period of wearing them. But I'm really curious about the features on the Zungle sunglasses. So I'm excited to share with you guys my thoughts later. And even though it's not summer anymore, we've still got a lot of daylight left here in Southern California. So be sure to stay tuned for my full review of the Zungle sunglasses. Once again, this is Lida, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! So as you can see, I'm not wearing any frames right now. Zungle has, not wearing any lens.